Paleopathology is the study of ancient disease and its medical historical implications for human evolution. While much of the paleopathological literature has dealt with Europe and the New World, the Middle East offers a unique opportunity for research because of its ancient literary traditions and arid environments. Its written records dating from the 4th millennia BCE provide the earliest accounts of disease and society's methods of dealing with it. Although many of these descriptions are deficient in terms of modern medical knowledge, they still offer a glimpse of the heroic and sometimes futile attempts made by humans to coexist with their environment. The clinical interpretation of many of these disease processes is particularly difficult.